Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Windows 10 without losing data. Let's get started. First, click the Start menu, then open Settings. From here, select Update and Security. Now, on the left side, click Recovery. Under the Reset, this PC section, click Get Started. A window will appear with two options: Keep My Files and Remove Everything. Make sure to choose Keep My Files. This will reset Windows while keeping your documents, photos, and other personal data safe. Next, Windows will show a list of apps that will be removed during the reset. Don't worry, your files stay untouched, but you'll need to reinstall some programs later. Click Next to continue. Finally, click Reset. Your PC will restart and the reset process will begin. This may take some time. Once it's done, Windows will start fresh, clean, and much faster, all while keeping your personal files exactly where they were. And that's it. If you found this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.